Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, you may be looking at this guitar going, hey, that's the thing from your video last week, and you are correct. But I have a bit of a confession to make. Now, there is a word in German called Verschlimmbesserung. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Absolutely not. But what it means is that it's when you try to fix something, but you wind up making it worse. Well, you may have noticed in that video last week that I didn't actually play this thing. And that's because I've Verschlimmbesserunged it before I got a chance to. Long story short, there was something rattling around in the bridge. Turned out to be just some screws that I didn't, tighten down correctly, so instead of tightening them down correctly, I destroyed the entire bridge. And in the meantime, I've put it back together. Unfortunately, got some holes down in the bottom there that I need to re-drill because they're all full up of wood glue and whatnot. So, what do you do at that point? Well, you go get a drill. Unfortunately, it doesn't work, and I am not about to take this thing apart again. Here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to take an overly complicated problem that I overcomplicated, I'm not arguing that, and I'm going to complicate the solution. How am I gonna do that? Well, I went ahead and 3D printed me the world's tiniest hand drill so that I can actually get down into the crevice that I need to get down into and drill me a hole. So I'm going to show you what's up with this little tool because I think it's really neat, and look how small it is. That's awesome. If you're interested in making a tiny drill for yourself, here's the parts that you print out. Got a little shaft, got an end cap, pivot thing, then you got these two grippy parts. This part goes on the top and tightens down. This part goes on the shaft itself, and this part snaps into the end. Just like that, and Bob's your uncle. It's a little tiny drill. And I printed a couple of them so that I could mix and match the colors because why not, So, here is what is going on. These print out, there's 3 different sizes that you can print these in. This is designed to hold a 3.3 millimeter drill bit. Have a little bit of an issue. The drill bit that I need to use is only 1.5 millimeters. So even on this drill bit's tightest day, I don't think we're having much luck there. So I'll need to find a solution to that. But I just printed these normal PLA settings at 0.2 millimeters layer height. They seem to be fine. So there's the specs, 15% infill, nothing fancy. So with all of that out of the way, what do you say we make holes in a guitar? All right, here we go. Let us commence. So yeah, my issue is that this is the smallest drill bit that I have, 1.5 millimeters across. How do I get it in there? I gotta use one of these. But the drill bit itself is too small, so what do? I'm going to take some foil tape, and if you've been around a while, you'll know that I love this stuff. It's just nothing it can't do. It's like duct tape, but, a different kind of tape. So I'm just going to roll it around, and there you go. Suddenly, it's thicker. So, which color? Which color? We'll do green. Nice, nice. It's a nice snug fit. This will tighten it down even further. And now, in theory, I should be able to press this in, and it should just glide right on through. That works great! Oh, man. Well, that's awesome. All right, here we go. This one's a little tougher. This spot right here is pretty gummed up. Not a lot of clarity going on there, so we'll see how the drill behaves. It's a little stuck. Let's see. That did it. That is working really well. It's a plastic drill, what do you expect? But it's effective. That's what's up. And just like that, an easily avoidable mistake is easily overcome with naught but the power of the human imagination and whatever it is I think I'm doing. All right, let's get this thing strung up. All right. Get out of the way. All right, let's tune this thing up and then I will play it for you. Cool. All right. Eh? Look, I got a face. How's it going? Let's go. Yeah. Not too bad. A little buzzy. But that's my fault because I'm an amateur. But I had fun making it, and it's done now, and I unmessed it up, and did an impromptu face reveal. So you might have noticed I had like an Ibanez hanging on the back wall over there. I never played the thing, so I sold it, and with the nickel that Guitar Center gave me, I bought this. Got it for, you know, not a lot of money. Went to a pawn shop and saw it, and I was like, I want one of those. So I got one of these, but one small problem. I don't want it in this color. So I'm going to see if I can do a DIY under $20 TV yellow paint job on this thing. I don't know when I'm going to get to that, but I will. And in the meantime, if you want to see how I made this thing look like it looks, I'll have a video pop up around here somewhere. And I guess that's it. All right, see you guys later. Bye.